Namaste to all. Welcome to the YouTube channel of RST Group of School. In this session, we will continue with the chapter that is carbon and its compound. It's chapter 4 from class 10 science, and in this session we will see the homologous series. Before going to the definition, we will try to understand this particular series with the example. So we have already studied the types of hydrocarbon. We have also already studied the alkanes and alkynes. You must remember these have been taught in the earlier sessions of the YouTube channel. You can see there. And today we will see, let's take one example of alkane. What basically are alkane? We have seen these are the hydrocarbons which have single bond between carbon and carbon. These are the hydrocarbons in which single bond between carbon and carbon. What is the general formula of alkane? It is CN H2n plus 2, where N is equals to number of carbon atom. Let's see some of the members of the alkane. If I will put N equals to 1 here, then what the formula I will get? I will get the formula C. I will put 1 here, C, that is H2 into 1, that is 2. Plus 2 equals to 4. That means the first member of the alkane is CH4. And you all know, we have also seen the naming of the hydrocarbons and the carbon compounds in the earlier session. So the name of this carbon compound, hydrocarbon, is methane. Similarly, when N is equals to 2, what will be the name of this hydrocarbon and what is the formula of this hydrocarbon? Formula we can get it from here. You have to put 2 at the place of N and you will get C2H6. Its name is ethane. Single bond and 2 carbon atoms. Similarly, for N equals to 3, we get C3H8, and for N equals to 4, C4H10, and so on. Till the infinite number of carbon atoms, we can join them and name them properly. Okay, now what is similarity in this series? This is a series of compound. What is the similarities in this series of compound? Let's see. Check these both of the compound. Check the both of the compounds. They have these both compounds in the series have the difference of, let's see the difference of carbon and hydrogen in both of them. This compound has how many carbons? 1 carbon. This compound have how many carbons? 2 carbons. So what is the difference in both the compounds? They have a difference of 1 carbon atom. And similarly for hydrogen atom, what is the difference in the hydrogen atom? 4 and 6. What is the difference? Difference is 2. So difference is CH2. Let's follow to the another member of this series. This compound and this compound. This compound and this compound. Let's see the difference in the carbon and hydrogen. You will see the carbon and hydrogen have the similar difference. 3 carbon atoms, 2 carbon atoms. The difference is of 1 carbon atom. 8 hydrogen atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. The difference in the hydrogen atom is again 2. Similarly, in this compound and this compound, the difference in the carbon and hydrogen is this, that is CH2. Did you see any similarity? In this series, all the members of the series have the difference of a group, that is a CH2 group. They have a particular difference in the members, successive members. First member, then second member and third member have equal difference, that is of group CH2. So the series of, now you will get the definition of the homologous series that is written here. That is a series of compound in which there is a difference of a CH2 group, in successive member. That type of series is known as homologous series. You have already studied in class 9. To calculate the molecular mass of the compound. As you know, carbon have the molecular mass. carbon have the molecular mass of 12 U and hydrogen have the molecular mass of 1 U. What will be the molecular mass of CH2? Calculate it fast. Yes, you get it right. The molecular mass of CH2 is 14 U. You can also define the series in this manner, that a series of compound in which the successive members have the difference of 14 molecular mass. 14 molecular mass के difference हो series में हर एक successive member में, and this type of series is known as homologous series. So let's see the proper definition of the homologous series. What is the definition? You can see it from the board also. A group of compound. It is a group of compound. Let's see. This is a group of compound. There are many compounds. It is a group of compounds having same functional group. They have the same functional group. Alkane have the same functional group. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि first member आपने alkane का ले लिया, second member alkene, third member alkyne और फिर हमने alcohol ले लिया, नहीं. They must have the same functional group. ये सभी के सभी alkane हैं. So they must have the same function, having the same functional group. But then they have the similar chemical properties. इनकी जो chemical reactions हैं वो similar आएंगी. मीथेन की, इथेन और प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन एंड सो ऑन, उन सभी की जो केमिकल रिएक्शंस हैं वो सिमिलर आएंगी. एंड द सक्सेसिव मेंबर्स मतलब फर्स्ट के बाद सेकंड एंड सेकंड के बाद थर्ड फोर्थ, द सक्सेसिव मेंबर्स हैव डिफरेंस ऑफ अ CH2 ग्रुप. इस ग्रुप का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, या फिर ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं 14 मास यूनिट का डिफरेंस हो. ऐसी सीरीज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस सीरीज इज नोन एज homologous series. Okay, we will also see one more example other than alkanes. Let's see some characteristics. First characteristics is important to understand. Let's see what it is. All the compounds in series are compounds of same elements. Let's see the elements in first compound. What are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen. सेकेंड मेंबर में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं? अगेन कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन. थर्ड मेंबर कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन. So all the compounds in the series are made up of same element and they have same functional group. All the members of this series have single bond, that is same functional group is present in them. So this type of series is known as homologous series. This is the first characteristics. And what about the physical properties? No, physical properties we didn't get it similar. There is seen a gradation in the physical property. That means slightly increase in the physical properties. For example, as the molecular mass increases, as you all know, the molecular mass of this and this differ by 14. Let's see what is the molecular mass of CH4. If you will calculate the molecular mass of CH4, you will get it 16. Similarly, 16U, you will get 16U. What is the molecular mass of C2H6? You will get 30U. Then for this, 44U. Always there is a difference of 14 molecular mass unit. And that means because of increase in the molecular mass, the melting point and boiling point of the compound also increases. And that's why there is seen slightly the gradation in the physical properties. So this is what we have seen. These are the homologous series. So homologous series can be of different functional group also. Let's see one example of functional group. We have seen the functional group in the earlier session also. What are functional groups? A atom or a group of atom when present in the hydrocarbon changes completely the properties of the hydrocarbon are known as functional group. Let's see one of the example of the functional group. Alcohol. All of you know alcohol. It is functional group is alcohol. In this we will use a suffix. हम suffix कौन सा use करते हैं इसके अंदर? अगर आपने previous video देखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा suffix we will use here is ol in the place of e. For example, अगर 3 कार्बन का alcohol है, then name of that compound will be नॉट प्रोपेन लास्ट वाले ई को रिमूव करके, लास्ट वाले ई को रिमूव करके we will write as propanol. So this is how we have named, and we have understood in the earlier video also. So let's see for the alcohols. First member मतलब one carbon is there, CH4. सपोज करो ये CH4 सिंपल सा हाइड्रोकार्बन है, मीथेन, इसके एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करके यहाँ पर एक अटैचमेंट लग जाए अल्कोहल वाली, ये दिस अल्कोहल अटैचमेंट, अल्कोहल क्या होता है जिसमें अटैचमेंट क्या होती है, OH is the attachment there. OH is the attachment there. So these types of compounds are known as alcohols. तो ये CH3OH, what is the molecular formula? You will write it CH3OH. Similarly, इसका अगर second member देखेंगे alcohols का, having two carbon atoms, you will get C2H5OH. Third member C3H7OH. Fourth member C4H9OH. You can draw the structures. What you have to do, you just have to draw the hydrocarbon of whatever number you want, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, fill all the valencies with hydrogen, remove one hydrogen and attach this group, that is OH group. You will get the molecular formula of all the alcohols. So let's see what is the difference in all them. They have same function group, that is alcohol, but what is the difference? If you will see the first compound and second compound, they have the difference of CH2. See, one carbon, 2 carbon, that is the differences of one carbon. Here 3 hydrogen atom, here are 5 hydrogen atoms. So what is the difference in hydrogen atoms? Difference of 2 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, हम second member और third member में difference देखें कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन का, तो again you will get a difference of CH2, and in the third member and fourth member you will also get the difference of CH2. So we can also understand by using this example that a series of या फिर a group of compounds having same functional group देखिए सभी में same है, OH, OH, OH and OH, alcohol functional group. They have similar chemical properties, and the successive members, this is the first, second, third and fourth member. The successive members have the difference in them by a CH2 group. So these type of group of compounds are known as so these example you can understand what are homologous series. That's all for this video. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.